The clever money picks up market share. Events will be back. Weddings will be back. Corporate events will be back. Because without them, there'll be no progress, and none of us are going to stand still.
Yeah, definitely. I'm definitely feeling that one, especially given that I am in the industry, and it has been a tough 12 months for, I've known so many people who've been in the industry for 15 years, like myself, and what's going to happen now is that there will be new relationships that will have to be made, because some of the people who are traditionally in the events industry have had to go and do other things. But yeah, they will come back, and I know that just with speaking to some of my clients and people who want to travel abroad as well for events, there will be some pent-up demand. It's just a matter of sitting tight and being patient.
The clever money picks up market share. Yes, there's pent-up demand, but as you've just said, some of the competition aren't going to be there. They've gone off to other things, but the customers are still there. The experiences that people want to have still need to be had. In our auction business, which is a total event business, I think our market share is stronger than ever, and actually we'll build on that and make it even stronger. So I would urge anyone who's in your business, go and grab some market share. Don't be scared of this. You're going to have a great 12, 24 months. And here in Birmingham, the wider community's got the City of Culture going on, and next year's the Commonwealth Games. My God, if there was ever a time to have a global event for Birmingham, it's at the other side of a global pandemic. So, there's a Midlands global showcase about to happen, and I would take advantage of it and grab market share.
Definitely.